So this is my last day on this bike. I'm going to drop it off at the storage unit, and then I'll have to wait until next year for me to see it again, or to ride it again. I'll probably see it again periodically throughout the winter to do stuff, but I'm not going to be riding it, unfortunately. Today is Black Friday, November 25th, so it's a bit chilly out. Sun's out. I've heard some Harleys go by, so I'm not the only one out here. But you can see you can't tell on the road. I can see it because it's like in person, but there's sparklies all over the road. So, you know, either salt grains or it's just that cold. I don't know. It's in the 40s, low 50s. Nice little 90 pull without even shifting. Oh, it's cold. Holy shit. I'm just gonna run the piss and vinegar out of it a little bit today. I've got some seafoam in the tank to try and stabilize the fuel so it doesn't go bad, but time will tell. Pulling the battery at a later date, maybe today, I don't know, see what happens. God, you can hear the cold in my voice. I'm shivering. Oh, I'm in the fucking shade. Get me out of the shade. I was fine earlier, and then I went into a warm house for like 20 minutes to talk, and now I'm cold again. Oh my god. At least I got my chest armor on. That'll keep me a little bit warm, but I got a hoodie on. That's it. Hoodie, jeans, and pants like normal. Not my smartest moves. You're right, I'm passing. Probably shouldn't do 84 and a 55 though. '70's not much better, but it's better. Just trying to make sure it was worth me passing. I was contemplating running a highway, but I'm not going to run highway. It is too cold, and I don't know how the salt situation looks on the highway. It did rain yesterday, so I'm hoping it's better. The reason you haven't seen this bike on any media the last 2 weeks, 3 weeks is because it's been snowing like a motherfucker. It's just finally been warm enough the last couple days to melt a little bit. You can still see snow in the trees and the bushes and the grass, but like that shit, fuck you. So I guess now's a good time to ask you guys, what do y'all do over the winter? Because I'm going to be bored out of my mind just playing Modern Warfare 2 and working and sleeping. That's all I really do. Video games, work, sleep, repeat, not in that order. Fuck it, I'll take the highway. I'll just go like one exit, see how that feels. Worst case, I hop back on, or I just keep going. Why am I so dumb? It's 2:18 and it's like 2:18 and it is, come on Shelby State Bank, change. Never mind. It never changed, you little shit. I wanted to see what the temperature was. God damn it. Oh, it's so much nicer in the sun. Oh. At least it's not like that one video I recorded with Mac when it was like March or some shit and it was in the 30s and I was just going all the time because my nose was running so hard. Ooh, it's just bullshit. I don't like riding this in the shade in a hard corner like that. It's whack. Alright, piss and vinegar time. Alright, highway's not too bad. I don't know if he's getting over or not, so I'm gonna go around. I thought that was a cop though, that's why I slowed down. You bastard. I thought you were the police. That is why I stopped my pole. I was doing 85. I'm still going the back way. Fuck it. I want to ride some more. Fucking visor is tinted and it is fogged up like a son of a bitch. I think I made the right call getting out the highway. It is a lot warmer this way so far. Man, I can't wait to get the nightlife back that I like going on so much, because like Friday nights to Saturday nights when there's nobody home, so I don't have to worry about when I come home. I absolutely adore just going out and being out until like 1, 2 in the morning on the bike. It's always great. Honda likes this cold weather though. The Ram Air is loving it, in case you cannot tell by how like peppy it's being. Let's play this should I turn back there and cut around game, or if I'll have time to go this way game. Hey yo, we got time. Like we're in town and it's got that weird like cold town vibe where, you know, there ain't really nothing going on, but there's still people everywhere. But there's also less people than normal, if that makes sense. But like I said, it's Black Friday today, so all the people that go south for the winter have already gone south, I'm pretty sure, unless they're waiting out until Christmas. But I won't know because I don't really go south. I have friends that go south that are older, but I don't know if they've done that night or not. No cops behind me, cool. Not that I'm gonna do anything. It's fucking cold out. Oh, to know how to do wheelies, I would just clutch up right now. And I'm not gonna test it out right now. I'm not gonna learn trial by fire today, boys. I'm sorry. Muskegon is weird, like, don't get me wrong with my town, and it's kind of sketchy in some areas, but what town isn't sketchy in some areas? And there's a lot of town people that are crackhead energy, but not in the fun way, like in the are you doing crack right now kind of way. So, I don't know how I feel about that, but it goes from heavy population areas like that to just this where it's sparse. You can still tell it's a city, but it's like sparsely citied. I don't know, fucking populated, urbanized, what the fuck you want to call it? I don't know. What the hell's going in there? I don't know. I'm so confused. I don't know what's going in there. I know it's something cool, probably not, but you know. I know where I'm going on this side of the road. I don't know the exact location, but I'll know when I see it. Ooh. Hello. Gate's still open, cool.